Here we go. A little YouTube video here for anyone that cares. Bringing my 74 Z28 Type LT back to life. You can see she's very solid in all the right places. And where she's not, we're correcting all that. We had put in this piece new. Down. And on the side it was rotted, and you ain't gonna see Fonzie's work. That's my friend who does the stuff. Fonzie and Mike are my metal guys. Powder coated the rad support. We are fixing the originals. Fonzie's got one, Mike's got the other. This was all rotted. My boy Mike put all that in underneath. Beautiful job. We're gonna bring it back to life, although it is registered and on the road. Fortunately, someone must have rebuilt the motor and they decked the block and it wiped the numbers off it. So I believe that's the original motor, but I can't prove it. So that left me with the only thing I could do. Well, the only fun thing I could do. I should have set that up ahead of time. But we are going to put in, if you're not ready to vomit, this is a 400 small block Chevy, AFR heads, Edelbrock Performer RPM. It's got a comp cam hydraulic roller. We got a set of Patriot headers. Valve covers there. Pretty cool. So this is going to go in that 74 along with a built 200 R4. I'm showing you a bunch of bubble wrap. We had the trike out the other day. She's running like a champ, although flat tire. And that's it. Also going to be installing a 2-inch cal hood that's leaning over there onto the 74. And I got seats and rugs, and we're doing it to it. It's going to take a little while. Anybody else that's restoring anything, you know, might find this interesting. Or maybe I'm out of my mind. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you think I'm crazy for bringing this guy back to life. You could see some of my earlier videos on how much rust repair was needed and done, and she's looking all right, if you ask me. If you ask my opinion. But there's the other quarter. You know, we try to leave as much original metal as possible because it just comes out nicer. And we even got, I think I might have shown in the other video, Kinney Chevrolet, Brooklyn, New York, on the angle. And I intend to have another one of those stickers made and put it on there just like it is there. Why not? Oddly enough, that Chevy dealership was not far from where I lived in Brooklyn when I was a kid. And my father and my grandfather had been there many times. My grandfather bought cars from there. I kind of thought it'd be cool too. They were probably in there when this thing was sitting on the lot. Very possible. It was only a few blocks away. There you go. Hope you got a little something out of that. I don't know what. But let me know if you think I'm crazy for doing it. I think it's pretty cool. Have a good one.